In this video tutorial, we will be learning how we can clear the cache and delete junk files on our Windows 11 device. So the first step is to delete temporary files, and we can do that simply by opening the Run dialog first. So we can do that by following two steps. First is to make a right click here in the Windows icon and select the Run option. Or you can just simply go to your keyboard and then press the Windows R key all together, and you will get the same kind of window just like this one. So the next thing you need to do is to type TMP. Let me just type it in lowercase letters. Now, once you have already typed this one, all you need to do is just to click on enter. And then all you need to do here is just to delete all files. To do that, we need to select files by pressing the Control A button to select everything, and then delete key or press the delete key to delete everything. Now, some files will be skipped because they are still being currently used by some applications or software that we are opening in our device. So just simply click or check this, do this for all current items here, and then click on the skip button. And once you do that, some items will be deleted while some will be skipped. Now, once you're done doing this one, just close this window, proceed with the next, which is delete temporary files with environment variable. So open the Run window again. We will try the second way, which is to press the Windows R key all together. Here we need to type %temp%, and then after typing it, just please click on OK or enter. Here we will do the same thing. Select everything by pressing Ctrl A and delete everything by pressing the delete button there. Some items will still be skipped, so just please skip them. And then once done doing this one, just close this window. Proceed with the next, which is to delete the prefetch files. So open again the Run window. So press the Windows R key. Now we need to type prefetch and click on OK or enter. Here, you will be deleting all files using the Shift Delete or Control A and then click on Shift Delete. Okay, so we're just doing the same process with each steps. Now we need to use the disk cleanup tool or clean MGR to delete the temporary files and junk files that we have in our device. So to do that, simply open the Run window first, and then we need to type the command clean MGR. Now this time we need to click on OK or enter. Select the C drive, and if you have other drive there, which is your main drive, then you can also select it by clicking this drop down button and then select the other drive that you have there. Now, once you have already selected it, just please click on OK or enter, and then you will get this disk cleanup for local disk C window. All you need to do is just to select for the files that you want to be deleted. So just check the box before it, before each item, and then once you have already selected those files that you want to be deleted, simply click on this OK button here and then close this window. And after all those steps, simply make a quick restart with your device for the changes to be applied and you're good to go. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.